just constantly, you know.
Welcome to Vlogmas 9.
How are you?
How's it going? I'm Tony.
Hi, how are you?
I'm Anita. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
All right. So this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath.
Okay.
You got 2 flex rooms, and go ahead and look around. And when you finish, I'll be right here if you have any questions.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What is this?
Motion light in the thing.
Yeah. Okay. It fits too. Oh, I didn't see. Yeah. Okay.
I got the pegboard.
You notice everything. What is this? Oh, probably the temperature piece. This is a washer.
You got the little sinky thingy.
The sinky thing.
Yeah, the little sinky thingy.
It's not as cute.
Quick towels.
It has everything, bro. Does this come off? It does.
And I don't know.
You can hang out the clothes that aren't supposed to be in the dryer up there.
The water be wet.
They dry, like on the clothesline. This is the clothesline. Oh, wow. What? She said flesh rooms. This freaking closet is huge. OMG. It's huge in here.
Stain here.
A little stain.
Stain.
OMG. That's an attic of it. Attic, just what it did.
That's a stick to get into that.
Oh, you should. Ooh, do you want to do it? You're noticing everything.
You put me on the spot.
I kind of want you to. This closet is huge, you guys. It's huge. I want you to. Oh my gosh.
Oh, you got a little privacy in the bathroom.
You said you had privacy? This mirror looks nice. Oh, it's a washroom.
You got
Oh, and there's a bunch of storage space in here. OMG. You run out of tissue, you're in trouble. I don't know. I just need to turn both of them on. I'm not gonna set what you do. Oh, sorry. The floors are so pretty. They're so pretty. I like the way they decorated in here. Oh my god, look in the shower. Yeah.
Yeah, this is how I kind of thought open houses were. Just come and look around now. Like,
Oh, yeah.
Have a guide.
Yeah. I'm thinking maybe, I don't know. Maybe I don't know. This is so nice. This is that. Yeah. Oh, and it overlooks the road. Oh.
What they got there? These don't. Oh, yeah, they're doing it now. I thought it was like automatic. What's it for? The fan?
Probably. It's nice. I can also do it like this.
Nice sound bedroom too.
Yeah, so I didn't preface where we were, but you'll get that in the beginning. But guys, it's so nice out here. Okay, I'll follow you. The bathroom is really huge. Every room I've been in so far has been huge. This is another washroom. Yeah. Can I see?
Yeah, of course.
OMG. Guys, look. I don't know if I'm just like, yeah, like the perfect.
That is nice though.
Yeah.
I don't like how you have it on high though. It's gonna be like, it's gonna shoot out, you know what I'm saying?
Let's see what you're
You don't
saying.
need to have it on low. But that is nice though. I like that. I like that. They should just cut it down.
Ideas.
Or curve it.
Yeah.
Should have curved it.
Also, is it going straight down?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Oh. Yeah. It seems like there's possibly doors here. No? No. But
Well,
it's
that'd be
just
nice to
office
add like the
space.
little sliding doors right here.
Oh, like the door and hold doors.
Yeah.
What does it say? I can't tell. Can we? Are we allowed to walk right here?
I guess.
Okay. Okay. This does look. Oh, it feels good out here. And there's a bird. They love the bird. What do you call these? Bird eaters. Anyways, all these look the same. They must be apartments. It looks really nice out here, and you do have a yard.
They either apartments or townhome.
Is
They
this
got
so
garages
nice?
for townhome.
This is nice too.
Yeah.
I think so your neighbors can't see you.
So how do we exit this? We just go in there and say thanks.
Are we done?
Yeah, we seen the house. Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah.
I didn't think we were done.
What else we do? Oh, that's nice.
What's the price range for this?
It was like $460. Are you ready?
Yeah. That's why I stood back. I was wondering why I didn't open my door. Open it over me. I thought there was a room coming in. There was a room coming in. Oh, it looks so big.
So guys, that was house number 2. Fun fact about that community, it only allows people 55 and up or retired. So we weren't able to even secure the home for ourselves, but I decided to still include it because it was a beautiful home. Thank you guys for coming to the 9th day of Vlogmas or Vlogmas day 15, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.